We're going to introduce you to an agronomist, Ken Campbell. He knows a thing or two about soil as it relates to agriculture and getting the most out of it. Of course, he needs to understand water. Talking with Ken Campbell, I'll call him a 23rd century agronomist.
Thank you.
Who knows the soil. We're asking him to just give an assessment of how he sees that it can, in terms of the effects that it has on the water and its effect that it can have on the crop itself.
Yeah, what I have to go back to here, Adam, is that the way that plants and even ourselves function is on the transferring of electrons. And certainly with the vortexing that occurs, there's an implosion that, of course, that I see that is happening. Mm-hmm. And the actual angle of the two hydrogen bonds to the oxygen are changing. And the water itself will then not only chelate more nutrients, but it will also end up acting in helping in the exchange of the electrons. It occurs within the water, it occurs within the air. Certainly the whole physiology of a plant is looking at having the electron exchange within the elements. It's so very, very important. So a lot of water, because it has a lower angle on it, it can't chelate or pick up those nutrients in the first place. The electron exchange from the plant cannot occur. It actually costs the plant more electrons to get the elements, allowing for less energy that the plant needs to pick up those essential minerals.
That makes more energy available to do things like grow.
Like grow and produce a high quality crop. Now, of course, in nature, this occurs, and it also occurs within the air that we breathe. And that you're getting into hydroxyl production and how fresh it smells after a rain, and everyone can relate to that freshness. Well, the same thing ends up happening to the water. It's very fresh, it's very alive, it's very vibrant. It has a life-giving force to it.
A life-giving force. Now, when have you had that term attributed to your city water? Or for that matter, why are farmers far more preferring rainwater to even using the water from the ground? It's because rainwater has something you might call a life-giving force within it that doesn't show up as significantly in the groundwater. Well, that's the whole purpose behind the design and the intention and the effect of the technology. It concentrates, it brings, it delivers a life-giving force back to the water that comes from the ground or from the tap, from the city, wherever it comes from.